Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. Today I want to talk a little bit about compositing in Photoshop with AI. And before AI came around, this was a really challenging thing. I would have to go and find a bunch of stock photos and sort of put them together, edit them and clean them up. It's so much easier now. So just for example, if I wanted to put a fire in this fire pit, I'd have to go and download pictures of fire. I would have to composite them, take out the backgrounds, mask them, do a bunch of work to get it to work. Now I can simply come up here to my rectangle marquee, select an area above the fire pit, choose generative fill, type in fire, hit generate, and it generates some fire. Now this one I don't like so much, but remember it always gives us options and we can go through and choose the one that we like. I like this one here, I think it looks pretty nice, and now I have that done. So now I want to change up what's on the table, and back in the day I would have to go in and select some of the content of the table and copy it over and make it work and really have to blend things together. But now I can simply go up here, make sure I'm on elliptical marquee instead of rectangular this time. I'm going to make a nice circle over the area. I'm going to select generative fill and I'm going to say steak and French fries on a plate. Hit generate, and now I have some steak and French fries here, and I can go through my options over at the side until I find something I like. I kind of like this funky fancy plate here, so I'm going to go with that. And let's say we want to change the drink too with that. Well, I can go back to my rectangular marquee, select this area, and hit generative fill, and maybe I can say glass of iced tea. Here are my results. Again, I can take a look through what I have and see what the options are. Again, if I don't like this, I can hit generate. It will generate more options and it will show me different things that I could use here. And here we have some fancy glasses of iced tea this time. Or we could also just try changing the prompt and say iced tea without the glass, hit generate. And now we're getting some nice tea glasses here that look like they would really work with the piece. So you can see how easy that is. I don't have to go in and mask something out, find stock photos of tea glasses, and all that jazz. Let's add one little final touch, and I want to add some flames in here. Now, another thing you can do is use the polygonal lasso tool here and select an area. So maybe I want a kind of pointy flame that lives in here. Generative fill, and type in flame. And you can see that's added in a nice little candle flame right there for us. So we have some really great options, and in just a little bit of time we've composited this together. Now this has probably taken less than 5 minutes, and back in the day when I would do this, this would be a piece that would take me probably 2, maybe 3 hours to composite everything in here and make it look nice. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.